Bullish request cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 81 cents by 2030. Market experts accept REQ could reach 33 cents by 2025. Bearish request market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. Request presentation. The universe of cryptographic money is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with improvements happening across many chains, monetary standards, and stages. Different issues prevent the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, confounded cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Request was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less muddled. In this comprehensive aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stage's specialized and basic central issues, and give our request cost forecasts. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized investigation, most extreme cost, normal conjecture cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest worth. What is request? The significant expenses of working on digital money stages normally emerge in the installment system. Outsiders which moderate money trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a strong expense for changes. Notwithstanding, request changes the game by dispensing with the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through request, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the request is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through basic requests, or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of request, the REQ token is utilized to drive all organization requests. The request stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential request cost forecast. The most common way of requesting installments on digital money stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. However, with request, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Requests for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the interaction formal and altogether stays away from extortion. Since the stage empowers clients to save data on all exchanges, clients are better coordinated concerning installments and so forth. Eliminating outsider change in installment handling expenses results in a less expensive crypto experience, particularly for beginner clients who are now betting their cash in an unstable market. Since most worldwide monetary standards are covered under request, yet others are being empowered, request as a stage takes into consideration crypto exchanging around the world. Considering this broad market access, our request cost expectations pursue a positive direction. Request venture. The vision of request's organizers, Christophe Laschite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, request has been out and out excellent, since changing over computerized installments into customary installments is facilitated without cosmic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Request stays an attractive and beneficial undertaking. While the cost of request has stayed unstable given the idea of the market, upwards drifts in the future portray productive request cost expectation. Since outsider association is controlled, the request stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and excavators pay just exchange charges for the stage's superior transactability and local area-driven administration. Request cryptocurrency cost. Request is presently worth 9 cents USD. REQ has moved 0.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,827,148. Request is presently positioned 195 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $96,493,661 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for requests to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant request market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Request value forecast 2023. Request, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The REQ cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 14 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 13 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. REQ is supposed to have a base worth of 11 cents. Request value expectation 2024. In 2024, request REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 23 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the REQ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 19 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 20 cents. Request value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 33 cents and REQ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 30 cents and a low of 28 cents in 2025. Request value expectation 2026. Assuming request effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2026. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 42 cents, with a base cost of 38 cents and a typical cost of 40 cents. Request value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 49 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 47 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, REQ has a most extreme value worth of 52 cents. Request value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 59 cents. In the event that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 61 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help REQ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 57 cents. Request value expectation 2029. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 66 cents and a yearly cost close above 71 cents in 2029. Request value expectation 2030. By 2030, Request will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 76 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 81 cents, averaging out at 78 cents. Request value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest REQ cost in 2031 is projected to be 93 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 89 cents. And Request Convention's venture potential is massive, making the REQ token a sought-after coin. The stage emphatically improves on installment instruments while guaranteeing security and offers transformation frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the digital money world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT,